Here's a level 84 question. You're being asked to find the equation of the quadratic function given that the zeros are -11, -9, and the vertex of the parabola is -10, -4. I'm going to start with the standard form of the parabola, y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. The vertex, the h is -10 and the k is -4. I'm going to replace the h with -10, but -10, which makes +10. Y is equal to a times x plus 10 squared minus 4. I'm going to plug in one of my two zeros. Remember, the zero is a point where the y value is 0 and the x value is whatever the zeros are. So I'm using -9, 0. I'm replacing the y with 0 and the x with -9. I have -9 plus 10 is 1 squared, which is 1, times a is a minus 4. Add 4 to both sides. A is equal to 4. Then we can feed that back in. Now we have the standard form of our parabola. Y is equal to 4 times x plus 10 squared minus 4. That's your answer. You can put that into the program and it should say you're right. This is the standard form answer. I could also use the intercept form. The intercept form is x minus your first zero times x minus your second zero and a times all of that. So it's a times x minus your first zero, close the bracket, times x minus the second zero. I'm going to replace the zeros with -11 and -9. -11 is plus 11. -9 is plus 9. I'm going to replace the x and y with my vertex. I'm going to replace the x with -10 in both cases, and I'm going to replace the y with -4. We have -4 is equal to a times -10 plus 11, which is 1, times -10 plus 9, which is -1. 1 times -1, which is -1. Divide both sides by -1, I get a is equal to 4, just like we got here. Then I plug that back in. We have y is equal to 4 times x plus 11, x plus 9. This is our equation of the parabola in intercept form. This is also a right answer. Notice, if I expand either of these, I'm going to get the equation of the parabola in general form. If I take this, expand the x plus 10, square it, that's going to give me x squared plus 20x plus 100. First squared, 2 times the first times the last plus the last squared. Everything inside here is going to get multiplied by 4. I'm going to have 4x squared plus 80x plus 400 minus 4. Gives me y is equal to 4x squared plus 80x plus 396. If I took my intercept form and expanded that, so the x multiplies the x, giving us x squared. The x multiplies the 9, giving us 9x. 11 multiplies the x, giving us 11x. The 9x plus the 11x is 20x. 11 times 9 is 99. Then the 4 is going to come in, multiply the x squared, giving us 4x squared, multiplies the 20x, giving us 80x, and the 4 multiplies the 99, giving us 396. This is the general form, and notice it's the same if we did it that way, using the standard form and expanded it, or if we took our intercept form and expanded it, we get the same answer. Okay, notice that the general form in both cases is the same. Any one of these three things I've highlighted are the answer. I'm going to put in the standard form. Y is equal to 4x minus the h 10 minus 10, minus 10, which is plus 10, to the power of 2, add the k, which is minus 4. So that is our answer. We press answer to see if we're right. That's how you do level 84. Have a good day.